Okay, now that I'm ready to, now I've cut the board to size. I sliced off a portion of this size because it was too wide compared to the tiles that I was going to put in. I moved it around, as you probably noticed. This is in a different part of the garage, and now I'm getting ready to start laying the tiles themselves. So I'm going to start with on the long end, along this edge. I put a straight piece here. I'm putting the space so that this edge piece can fit in plus a little bit, meaning that I will put all the tiles from here onwards. So a straight line here, and then all the subsequent rows and columns of the tiles. And here I'm leaving some overlap because these will be the parts that I do have some play with, meaning I can either put it up flush to the piece of wood here, or I can move it back. There is some play here, and I'll just fill this in with some mortar or something else, even a piece of wood if I need to be. I'm making this, the reason I put a level here instead of a piece of wood is because I did not have a straight enough piece of wood. I started with this, and I noticed after I did a bunch of measurements that the piece of wood itself was crooked. So I put in the straightest piece of equipment I had, which is this level. This piece of wood was fairly decent. Make sure I measured. This side has the same concept, that there will be some overlap, and I will start. So I'm going to start putting my first row here. So I'm going to add on another piece here to make the line straight. I'm going to add on another straight piece of equipment, and I will start putting row by row all of the tiles. And you'll see that in just a little bit.